Hi, I'm Janelle. I'm a cosmetic nurse practitioner. I've been injecting Botox, fillers, doing skin treatments like lasers and microneedling since 2013. When you come in for your appointment, we'll bring you in, we'll get your photos, we're gonna review your medical history, your consents, go through any questions, concerns you have. From there, once you're ready, we're going to wash your face, clean your skin, and we're gonna be doing the all-natural filler. So this is where we draw the blood from the arm. We're going to spin it in the centrifuge, take out the growth factors, the stem cells, all the good stuff from the blood. We heat it and it makes a gel-like consistency, and then that's what we're gonna inject in the face. We're gonna be doing Easy Gel PRF. This is an all-natural filler alternative. You guys saw we did the blood draw from her arm. We're prepping the blood right now. What we're doing is taking out the growth factors, all the healthy components from her blood, the nutrients, and we're going to be re-injecting this into her skin to help stimulate collagen. Collagen is the building blocks. It's the foundation to our skin. It helps our skin look youthful, look plump. We are losing this rapidly as we're aging, and so this is a way to restore collagen. She will get a little bit of lift right now, but we're not really going after a lift. What we're going after is that collagen restoration. So what you're gonna see with the lifting today is mostly swelling. This will settle, it's going to settle over the next 3 to 5 days. We're gonna do a second session in about 3 to 4 weeks. We're gonna retreat the same areas. Today, we're gonna focus on doing a little bit under her eyes, a small bit into the cheeks, the smile lines, and at the corners of the mouth. Like I said, she'll have some swelling, that will go down. Some patients like the swelling because it looks more filled out. Just don't fall in love with it because it doesn't stay that way. Now, full collagen stimulation can take up to 6 months to see the full benefit. You'll see a little bit of results at 6 weeks and continued improvement over that time. The healthier you are, the better outcomes you're gonna get. So younger, healthier patients are gonna have better outcomes than if I have a 75-year-old, 80-year-old smoker who's uncontrolled, diabetic. So as much as you can be healthy, hydrate before you come in, have good nutrition, good vitamins, that will also improve the quality of your blood, which improves your outcomes with the procedure. First day, I just want you to keep it clean. At home, I'm gonna have you ice. You can use your arnica gel, your arnica tablets. That'll help reduce the swelling. Try to minimize your exercise so it doesn't prolong the swelling. What you can expect during the injections, this will be similar to what we did in the past, where you're gonna have some injections along, again, the under eyes, lightly in the cheeks, the smile lines, wherever we're trying to stimulate collagen. I'm really thinking about where the face is aging and how our fat pads are separating, where we're losing bone. Those are the areas I'm targeting. So the difference between this and then your regular fillers, your hyaluronic acid fillers, is that this is made completely from you. This is going to help your body have regenerative effects, so that collagen stimulation, again, made all the way from you. Nothing else is mixed inside the tube. It's just your blood. Some patients will be doing a combination of the all-natural filler, like we're doing today, combined with filler. Other patients will choose only to do regular hyaluronic acid fillers, and some will choose just to do the all-natural filler. There's no right or wrong answer. However, we have to do a consult and make sure that you're the right candidate for the right treatment.